Hey guys, very good morning. I hope you are all ready. Please be seated on the mat if you are comfortable. We are going to practice day 5 today. Either sit in Vajrasan or Sukhasan. Before you start the session, make sure that you complete little bit of a spine stretches and the neck stretches so that when you are sitting here for 10 to 15 minutes, you are comfortable. Okay. Before we start this, close your eyes. Take one deep breath in and deep breath out. Breathe in completely as much as you can. Now slowly breathe out. Now slowly open your eyes. First, let's start practicing counting breathing. Now I am assuming that already you are comfortable with longer breath. So today we are going to inhale to the count of 6, hold your breath to the count of 4, exhale to the count of 8. So now if you think such a long breathing, if you are not able to do it, you can do it shorter. But if you have the capacity, I would say try to stretch a little more. It's just like a flexibility in your lungs capacity. The more your lungs get flexible, the more you practice, you can have a longer breath, and that is really important for our health. So let's try to do that. We'll do first few rounds of the counting which I told you, 6, 4 and 8. Keep your both the hands palm turned up, keep your both the hands in Chin Mudra. Shoulders relaxed, forehead relaxed and close your eyes. First, breathe in, breathe out normally 2 times. Now, slowly inhale to the count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now come back to normal breathing. Long breathe in and long breathe out. You can observe that your lungs have opened up so much that you can breathe in, breathe out comfortably. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now gently open your eyes. From here onwards, whenever you practice, so it's been day 5 now. For last 4 days we learned just how to breathe in, breathe out long. So today, even when you take a break after certain pranayama, try to practice Ujjayi breathing. Ujjayi breathing means when you breathe in and breathe out, there is absolutely no action, but you breathe through the throat. So you'll end up creating a sound like ocean. I'll just try to tell you once. I'll try to breathe out once. You just see if you're able to understand. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Gently open your eyes. It would be as if you're trying to push the air slightly with a decent force through the throat. It's all about the experience. If you're able to understand this, please, well and good practice. If you don't, then don't break your head too much. It's just a simple info that you can also try doing this in between the breathing pattern. So now let's move to Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. We'll do Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, not Anulom Vilom, where you inhale, hold your breath and then you exhale. We'll do this couple of times and then again we'll practice Ujjayi breathing. Then we start our pranayama, our meditation thing. Okay. Keeping both the chin mudra on, back spine straight, shoulders relaxed, and now slowly close your eyes. Now let's do Ujjayi breathing 2 to 3 times. Inhale and exhale through the throat with the ocean sound. Now exhale completely from your both the nostril, push the air out. Close your right nostril. Take a deep inhale from the left side. Hold your breath. Exhale from the right side. Inhale from the right. Hold your breath. Now exhale from the left side. Inhale from the left. Hold your breath. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Hold your breath. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Hold your breath. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Hold your breath. Exhale from the right. Drop your hands down. Keep your both the hands in Chin Mudra. Now just breathe in, breathe out from both the nostrils. You can see the difference in both the nostrils. You are able to breathe much better than before. You can feel the openness. Take a deep inhale, deep exhale. Now just pay attention to the breath. How are you breathing in, breathing out? Absolutely no other thoughts. Maintain the silence inside. Stay connected with your breathing. Now be aware of your posture in which you are sitting. Slowly release Chin Mudra. Get your both the palm together. Gently rub your both the palm, make it warm. Drop it on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes, look into your palm. Thank you. I hope you're feeling much calm and better, and if you're able to focus on the meditation, you can continue sit there for some more time. And if you enjoy practicing with me, don't forget to like the video. Whatever is your experience, drop it in the comment box. Thank you so much.